So this is going to be a tutorial for digistore24. So basically this is an affiliate marketplace and you can find products to promote. You can go here if you have an account, or if you want to register, you can create a free account. So this is the affiliate marketplace, and here we can find many products to promote. For example, animals and pets, betting systems. And I think that the first thing that is important to do is go to language and select your own language. For example, for this video I selected English, but you can see that we have products that we can promote in German, in French, Spanish. We have one in Polish, and also very few products on these languages. So I'm going to click on English, and then you can go to product categories and select, for example, if you want to promote for dance and music, or computer and internet, education, fitness and health. So the main core niches that you can promote products are the health and fitness, make money online niche, or the money niche, and the relationships. So those are the best niches that you can choose if you are a beginner. Now I'm going to show you the product that I promote, and it's in business and investment. So I'm going to scroll down because I want to show you that I promote the product, and it's this one, Freedom Accelerator. This is a high ticket product. The price of this product here is $40.97. They pay 50% commissions. These are the net earnings per sales. And basically, I have been promoting this training because I bought it. Now let me... Okay, so this is the product, Freedom Accelerator, and I promote this high ticket product through this challenge, the 70-hour challenge. So check this out. If I click here, we have a lot of information about how to build an affiliate marketing business from complete scratch in any niche that you want to promote. So we have the 4 phases to freedom in the affiliate stacking ecosystem, and then this is one of the most important lessons: how to build the automated sales system. Because once you have this system that works 24/7, then the next step is to drive traffic to it. And we have here all these modules. So from this one to YouTube. So we have how to create videos between 5 and 15 second short videos, how to create faceless artificial intelligence videos, how to use Instagram, Facebook Reels, DM closing, and YouTube, which is one of the most powerful social media that you can use to drive traffic to your own affiliate links, your own affiliate business. So and I have got some results. So let me show you. So this is my affiliate dashboard, and I have sent to this company 115 referrals. I have 18 customers, and right now $90 in unpaid earnings. And if I go to payouts, so these are my latest payments: $454, $128, and as you can see, I'm making commissions every single month by promoting the 72-hour challenge and Freedom Accelerator. Now, the way to promote this product, and it's better to do it this way, is through the affiliate support page. because here you can create your own affiliate dashboard, and you're going to have access to this system. So you need to click here and then click on login to affiliate portal, or you can click here sign up to promote the 72-hour challenge. So let's see. Yeah, it's this one. You can click here, sign up to promote the 72-hour challenge, and then log into affiliate portal, and you're going to have access to this page to promote this training, which is a high-ticket product in the make money online niche. And so the way to promote this product is through a sales funnel. So check this out. This is a done for you system that I downloaded from the course, the 7 steps to becoming a super affiliate ebook. And here I'm driving traffic to an opt-in page, and this opt-in page helps me to collect a name and an email. So this is a done for you system. Inside of Freedom Accelerator, you can download, if you have access to the program, you can download this funnel. And as you can see, this funnel has a good title. I have here this button, and when people click this button, this pop-up appears, and I can collect the name, the email, and if they want, they can put their phone number. And once people put their information, they are going to have access to the second page, in which I tell them that please check their email because I'm going to send the ebook. So basically, when you're promoting something, you need to give a lead magnet. A lead magnet is something that you give in exchange for the email, and then people will get access to the bridge page. And here they will see a video that I recorded, in which I explain to them the next steps they need to take in order so they can start learning the skills about how to make money with affiliate marketing. And if they click this button, get started today, they will be clicking my affiliate link. This is the video. This is a simple video that I recorded. And when they click that link, which is exactly this link, and if they put the information on that page, I'm going to have here another referral. And I like to promote this product because it has really good information if you want to start an affiliate business, if you are a complete beginner. And also I promote it through this system because once you send a referral, and if that referral buys in the future, you can make that commission instead of promoting this link. So if people click this link, it will be very difficult to make a sale like this one, because if you do it with this system, there's a strategy that is called a value ladder. So basically, if people buy the 72-hour challenge, which is $9, you can make 40% commission. And then if they buy the upsells, for example, let's say the upsells are $247. So these are some examples. $400. So you can make 40% from all of these upsells up to the high ticket program. So the latest update is that this high ticket product, the price is $1997 through this link. Now, one of the things that is important to do is, once ClickFunnels has collected this information, so this software send the email and the name to another software, which is Getresponse. And here, as you can see, I have collected 1,237 emails. And if I click on tools and then automation, because I want to show you my email sequences, in which I have wrote emails to promote this training and multiple products, and also to promote my YouTube channel, which is basically this is the strategy, the affiliate stacking ecosystem, because you are promoting multiple affiliate products and offers. So here, when someone subscribes to this list for an Accelerator, Getresponse is going to send these 2 emails, and then it's going to wait for 1 day, and it's going to send another email, and so on and so forth. It's going to send all these emails in which I have valuable information. Here I promote my YouTube channel. Here with this email I promote TubeBuddy, which is a software to do keyword research. And you need to build these entire systems with emails to promote your main core offer and multiple affiliate products. So, and basically that is the system that you need to build. Now, if you don't know how to build this entire ecosystem of products and offers, you can utilize this software. The name is funnelfreedom.io, which has a done for you system in which you only need to direct traffic to a simple page, which is this funnel. And then once you have collected that information, this software is going to start sending emails automatically to promote multiple affiliate products and offers. So the first step is that you need to copy and paste your affiliate links inside of this page, Funnel Freedom. And once you have copied and pasted your affiliate links, you need to start sending traffic to your own funnel. So here I'm going to show you all the products that I promote with this software. So the creator of this software is Jonathan Montoya, which is the creator of the 72-hour challenge and free accelerator. This is a brand new software. So let me click here on affiliate link settings. Okay, so as you can see in the screen, I have here all my affiliate links. So this is my affiliate link for the 72-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator, Funnel Freedom, Secret of Success, which is a training from Russell Branson, legendary marketer. Is another high-ticket product, System.io, which is a funnel builder, Repurpose.io, BidIQ. And as you can see, I just copied and pasted all my affiliate links for these products. Getresponse, TubeBuddy, and I'm driving traffic to a simple page in which I give a free course in exchange for the email. And the free course, Jonathan Montoya created this free course for his affiliates, and we can use that as a lead magnet. And if I click here, you're going to see the simple opt-in page, how anyone can start the #1 beginner-friendly, fully automated business from home. And I drive people to this page, and I'm collecting emails. And basically, that is the strategy on how you can promote products. Now, if you are going to promote another product from digistore24, you need to build this system from scratch. So let's say that you're going to promote, if I click on business and investment, so let's say that you're going to promote, let's say this one, Project Serenity. So you need to know, first of all, if you can send a referral, and if you send referral, if you're going to get that commission, if that referral is going to buy in the future. So that is one of the most important things you need to know. And once you have done that research and check all the affiliate marketing rules for this product, then the next step is to start building your own sales funnel, then the email sequences, and write all the emails and put your affiliate links inside of the newsletters or the emails, and then start sending traffic to the opt-in page to collect your own leads. So instead of doing all that work, you can utilize this system to promote this product, Freedom Accelerator. And this is a really good product if you want to promote it. Now, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and God bless.